Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the Raintree Commercial Complex in St. Catherine. This development is located off Mandela Highway. Now this is a massive development. Over 108 acres is being developed into 69 service lots. It's similar to the 876 Commercial Complex, which is just up the road. Now the 876 Commercial Complex, they developed lots. And then people bought the lots and put up whatever building they wanted. Car dealerships went up, a car garage, tropical battery, Nescafe put up a warehouse, Shockcom Trucks is over there, Tankwell has a massive warehouse, Derrimon Trading, all have locations there. It's a very successful development, but that was a private development done by the Cascade Group. Now the government through, I think this one is the UDC, is doing this development. So it should do very well based on the success of the 876 commercial complex up the road. So they're using the same model. They are building out the lots, putting in the infrastructure such as roads, drainage, sewage, water, and then customers come in and buy the lots and put up the buildings that they want. So as you can see, construction has started. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The Raintree Commercial Complex is one of Jamaica's newest and most significant economic development projects. Designed to transform underutilized lands at Caymanas into a modern business and industrial hub. Located in St. Catherine Parish at Ferry Pen, just outside Kingston, the development sits along the busy Mandela Highway corridor, one of the island's most strategic transport routes. This prime location places it at the intersection of major highways, giving businesses easy access to Kingston, Spanish Town, and key logistics networks across the island. At its core, the Raintree Commercial Complex is a large-scale master plan project being led by the Urban Development Corporation, UDC. The first phase alone spans 108 acres, making it a major commercial zone dedicated to light industrial and business activities. The development is structured as a subdivision of service commercial lots, about 69 in total, equipped with modern infrastructure such as paved roads, water supply, sewage systems, electricity, and stormwater drainage. This ready-to-build approach allows investors to quickly establish operations, whether for warehousing, logistics, manufacturing support services, or office facilities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Now on the left, that is Mandela Highway, the busiest road in Jamaica. And you notice all that green land around it? Well, they have major plans to develop all the land that we're looking at. It's going to be part of the Caymanas Special Economic Zone. But we'll talk about that in another video. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.